planner friends and planner newbies, my name is Carly from CJ Plans. If you are new here, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on that bell button so you never miss any of my future videos. Alright guys, so today we are going to be unboxing my Print Pression collab with Oncemorewithlove Box. They recently released this in their website, and when they said that they were going to do a collab together, I was so excited because I love Oncemorewithlove, and I just think that their collab is so pretty. So let me go ahead and show you what is inside. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and when you open it, it comes with these two little note cards. One is a thank you card, and I believe this one is a Jasenia's printable code card. So that is what comes in there. And then I just think this little bag is so pretty. This is where the planner comes in, so let's go ahead and open this. And this planner is so stinking cute. I can't. And this color is so pretty. I'm not sure if it's doing any justice, but it is so pretty. And you look inside, so this is for the Print Pression weeks, like the Hobonichi one. So you can go ahead and put your planner in here, you know, put anything in here. You can put some credit cards in here if you want to. You stick your planner in there, and then it comes with a zipper. And then it comes with this pen holder or pen case, pencil case. It is so pretty to match. Sorry, I'm making all this noise. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. And it's so pretty. It's so cute. Look at it. You can just put some pens in there, and I just think it's absolutely adorable. It's super small, so you can go ahead and carry it and just put it in your purse. So it's actually really perfect. And then that comes, and then you have, oh, okay, hold on. Ooh, okay. This is so pretty. So what we'll do with the paper first. And this paper is so cute. Oh, it's foiled. Look at this. This is gorgeous. And then you have, this is like kind of like cardstock, and then it's two-sided. So I'm not sure if you can see, but it's so pretty. I cannot wait to use this. And this one's the same as the other. This one's kind of like a three-tone color. Can't really tell, but it's like purple, like a light purple, and like a blue. And then you have this one's kind of like a sky. It is very pretty. And then in here you have like the bows. I'm not sure if we can see that or not, but it has like little bows and little circles, which is very pretty as well. And then there's another one that matches that one, except this one has stars on it. That's very pretty. And then we have this one. This one's my favorite. And this acetate. It is very, very pretty. So it comes with vellum. You got an acetate, and then 3 of the cardstock, which is super duper pretty. So I cannot wait to play with this. so let's put that one aside. Let's move this box out of the way. And then let me show you the rest. So then it comes with this pretty pen. It is super duper pretty. And I believe is ballpoint. I just don't know. I'm gonna test it out and see what color it is in a minute. It comes with that. Let's just take everything out and move this out of the way. And then this washi. Oh my goodness, this washi is so cute. It is so pretty. It's super cute. And then you get 2 bow washis. It is super duper cute. And then it comes with this keychain. He's like in a rocket. That is very pretty. You got your moon and it's sparkly. It is gorgeous. And then you got your star. That is very pretty as well. So I am definitely, actually I may just add this to my planner because it is too cute. It is so cute. Alright, so that is what comes in the collab box, I believe. With shipping and everything came out to like $67, $69. And it brought all of this. It brings this, so you choose your size of planner. Mine, I wanted to do the Print Pression one, the Print Pression Weeks, like the Hobonichi style one, because that's the one I've been using. And I really wanted to use this as a wallet because you can go ahead and put your credit cards in here, you know, and if I need to put any stickers, I can put them in there as well. And then, you know, any other stickers or anything that I want to carry with me. And I can actually use this for like receipts. So this is actually very perfect because I've been on the hunt and looking for something I wanted to carry that was small, but I still wanted to use my Print Pression Weeks. And when I saw this, that he was doing a collab with Once More with Love, I said, there it is. That's gonna be mine. And the color was perfect. I was looking for something either purple or pink. And when I saw this, I was like, yep, I need to get this. So this is actually very perfect. All of this came together and I'm actually really in love. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can put like the moon and the star like right here, hang it right here. So I have to find something like a small thing to put there. But other than that, this is gorgeous. So let's see how my Hobonichi fits in here, or my PP Weeks fits in here. Okay, so this is my PP Weeks. These are my tab dividers. These are actually in my shop if you are interested, because I thought it worked perfect with this, because you know it has the moons and the stars, and I just thought it was perfect. So this is in my shop. And let's see how this is going to fit in here. So this actually fits. This is perfect. This is perfect. Oh my goodness, and it feels amazing. It fits perfect. It feels really good. And then you can add some more inserts in here if you want. And I know that he made it with 2 extra ones, so if you get like really chunky, like you still have the space, you know. And I think that that's perfect. And then I'm going to show you what this looks like with the Hobonichi, because it's supposed to fit both, I believe. And this is an old Hobonichi because I don't have Hobonichi for this year. So it fits perfect. This is actually the Hobonichi Mega. So this is the one that has the more pages to it. And it fits perfect too. So that's how that fits in there. The Hobonichi and the Print Pression fit perfectly in there. And I wanted to show also how, because I think he said that he wasn't sure that a credit card would fit in there, but I believe it does. This is an old gift card and it fits perfectly in here. So if you wanted to carry your credit cards in there, because I'm going to keep this as my weekly on the go planner. So I would have my credit cards and everything else in here with me. And this is perfect. It is absolutely perfect. Look at that. And that color. Oh my goodness. It is perfect. So if you're looking to get this and you wasn't sure, I would say get it because it's actually perfect. And if you don't want to use this, you can still use the inserts, and he does have inserts in his shop. And also Jasenia's Printable has inserts that you can use to put in here as well. And I think it's perfect, like if on the go wallet, or you know, you just want to carry it and make it look pretty. I think this is perfect, honestly, to be honest. So, you know, I would honestly get it if you're looking for something to carry as a purse. So this is my review on the Print Pression collab with Once More with Love. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.